Let's make you a little bite.
Hi guys, so it's 3:30 p.m. today, December 2, and my water's broke while I'm sleeping earlier. I just dream about that my water will broke, and then I fall asleep again. Then suddenly, nag-gush na siya. A lot of water flow in our bed, and then, yun, we go here immediately sa hospital. So yeah, I'll update you. Kasi currently, wala pa akong nararamdaman na contraction. Hindi masyadong masakit yung contraction, and kayanin ko pa siya. So yeah, wish me luck. Hi, so it's already 6 o'clock. Hindi pa talaga sobrang ako nagko-contract kasi kanina inaiiyak ko. So hindi pa siya nag-open yung cervix ko, pero lahat na panubigan ko lumabas na. So anytime of this day or until tomorrow, pwede nang lumabas yung anak ko, pero sana lumaki na yung na mag-dilate na ako ng 10 or soon. So I'm just gonna show you my place currently. I'm here at the Calvary North, Adelaide. Ito ang aking CR at the moment. So ito yung CR. And I'm wearing a robe right now. Then, dito naman tayo sa aking bed. So here's the room. Ito yung aking bed. I-monitor yung heartbeat niya, pero ngayon kasi gusto ng midwife ko is to sleep and to have rest. Nagbigay sila kanina ng, hindi ko na naayos, sorry. Dinamad na din ako. So nagbigay sila kanina ng extra bed for my partner. Pero ngayon wala na siya, umalis siya kasi nga nag-work pa rin siya. So, ano yung hospital bag ko, everything is in here. Pero, alam niyo yun, kahit na super prepared ka pala, meron ka pa rin talaga makakalimutan. Siguro it's normal lang talaga na meron ka makakalimutan. So ngayon, wala pa rin ako actually tulog. Gising ako kasi kanina 2:30. And until na wala pa rin akong tulog. Kasi, I don't know, pag nagmo-move yung anak ko, may lumalabas na water, and then sumasakit siya. I don't know if that's part of contraction. Let's see what's gonna happen next, and I'll update you what's next. Kung nagpa-progress na ba, or kung close pa rin tayo. Later, dadating yung OBGYN ko, so let's just wait for her. And let's plan what's going to happen, kasi still, need pa rin na i-monitor si baby, kasi last time check up ko yung position niya, needs talaga siyang ma-fix. Pero on my growth scan, meron silang nakita na parang something underneath her head. Pero her head is already down na, ready to come out. Pero there's something daw on her head. I'm not sure if it's her hands or her feet. Pero the last 2 check-up that I did with my OB-GYN is, naman daw, wala naman daw clear. Pero syempre, I'm still worried about it. So, let's see what's gonna happen. So, I'll update you guys. Bye! It's my breakfast. Ang dami kong breakfast. Wow, grabe naman sila. So, breakfast na ako today. I'm just talking to my sister. So, yeah. Magbe-breakfast muna ako. And nalagyan na ako ng dextrose. Ayan. May coach ako. Mag-hi ka sa vlog. So, here's my breakfast.
Grabe ang pito nila.
Oo, sakit. Pero kaya ko. Hindi kasi, tsaka di kasi tinitingnan ko yung picture ng anak ko sa iPad ko. Sabi ko, anak, namimiss ko na yung mukha mo kasi ilang weeks ko na siyang di nakikita. Sabi ko, anak, namimiss ko na yung mukha mo. Gusto na kita makita ako. O sige, sabi niya siguro. Madali ako kausap. Sabi niya. Ay, muna guys. Kakain muna ako. Okay, so, I just finished my makeup. Actually, it's not a good makeup kasi nahirapan ako kasi I have this one. Yep. So, I'm gonna have a sleep first. Because I woke up 2:30 and until now I only have just a nap. Not that long nap, it's just a quick nap. So I think I need more energy for later because I think it's just getting out today. I'll update you guys later. See ya. Life update. They put me this one, oxytocin, just to make everything fast. So currently I'm 1 cm. And hopefully magtuloy-tuloy and umakyat siya. Whew. Forget. Bahala sa akin nila na ang kapabayaan. Hindi tayo para umiyak, okay? So yeah, life update, tayo para umiyak. Dapat maganda pa rin. So, hindi na biro ang aking labor. Medyo tumataas na siya. Hindi ko naman siya medyo nakakayanan, pero kaya na rin to. For 2. Baka lumabas na siya.
So pagka mga nasa 50 pataas ba?
Woo.
Kaya ba?
Woo.
Ang pataas no?
I bought you like a sugar drink to help,
Oh,
okay?
thank you.
It's orange flavour. Keep your energy.
Sige po. Okay po. Thank you.
Boss, baka gusto mo nang umuwi, boss, ha?
Oo, ngayon na.
Sasabi ka dyan, baka mamaya ikaw pa yung mauna ka pa mga anak sa akin.
Bili pa yung ano.
Sorry. Nararamdaman ko na yung ano eh. Natatanggal na yung anesthesia.
Bili mo lang daw yung isang bottle lang.
Sila ba maglalagay ng dose o ako?
Oo.
Hindi, ano yung kumunanggat tayo?
Pinutin mo lang daw yung bottle ng tubig.
Kakatakot ko nito ano?
Hoy, kumusta? Wala, nagpapahinga. Hindi pa. Natulog siya. Isa nga yun. Ngayon lang nakapagpahinga. Kanina pa siya nakapahinga.
A bit of experience. It's kind of on the side, I think. And that one I got as well. Okay, let's go. We're gonna go pull back on the legs, chin to chest, hard as you can, hard as you can. That's it. That is amazing. Go, Rosette, go. That's it. Keep going, keep going, keep going. That is incredible, Rosette. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. It's so good. Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Rosette, you are a superstar. That is amazing. Do you want to feel baby's head at all, Rosette? You want to put your hand down? You can feel baby's head. Yeah, a bit further. That's fun. You can see. Yeah. Going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh my god, that's so good.
You're doing amazing.
That's it.
I think that's your job. I reckon I'm going to hold this. You're doing incredible.
Nice deep breath through there. Slow.
You were doing
That's
really
it.
well. That's it.
Go.
Go, 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 go. Bigger, 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 bigger. Go, 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 go. Nice and big. Come on, you got this. You got this.
Keep going, keep going.
That's it, darling.
Go, honey. Yep, big one here. Big one, go, 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 go.
That's it.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, Rosette, yes.
Baby saying,
That's it. Okay. Oh!
Okay.
You got you.
You okay?
Yeah. Okay, let's make you a little baby.
Let's
Oh!
Yay!
Oh, you did it! Just watch that cord's not too tight. We're going to give you a nice little rubber. Come here, little sweetheart. Oh, sweetheart.
Yes, I love you!
Rosette, that was incredible.
Yes, amazing.
Congratulations, are you okay?
Yeah, man.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. You're so beautiful, my
amazing job
love.
you did.
Love you. Oh,
She sounds beautiful.
yeah. Thank you, my. Thank you so much.
That was incredible, Rosette. You did so amazing. So beautiful.
Good job, darling.
You've got your mother's genes, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yes, amazing.
9 girls, hey? One of mine.
I love you. I love you, my baby girl. Oh,
17.
oh my baby.
Get it again. We're going to chill back down for you. Oh, should we? Put a little foot there. Forward now. You going to cut the cord?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you give us. Yeah.
Hold the camera.
Okay.
Pass me your phone.
Okay.
I'll take it.
Oh no, my love.
Good job. 36.5, just so.
Baby yung ulo, baby yung ulo. Mm.
Hindi na ikaw iyak. Huwag na ikaw iyak.
May favoritism ka na agad. Sa akin, hindi iyak.
Huwag na ikaw iyak.
So yeah, ito na po ang ating nakahihintay na baby. Napaka-behave. Gusto lang matulog. Pagkatapos dumede, gusto lang niyang matulog. Ganyan lang yan siya. Lasing lang yan siya.
Hello guys, nakalipat na kami ng room. Apo.
Beautiful, beautiful girl.
Cute naman.
Yes.
Cute naman ang baby.
I love you.
Hmm?
Tulog mo sila.
So, dito ako matutulog. Dito yung dito na yung banyo. Dito siya matutulog.
Gag.
Ito ang banyo. Dito siya matutulog.
Day 1. Day 1 in the hospital.
Ano ka pala napawis?
Punong-puno ko ng pawis.
Ano sabi sa akin?
Sorry. First for today. What's this? The lasagna. And then the other one is the brekkie.
Ano ang pawis niya? Naputo yan gabi. Doon maligo ka.
Hi everyone. So it's my... Grabe ang nangyari sa face ko. Bakit ang dami kong ganito? Oh my gosh, babe. Sobrang lala niya, babe. I don't know what's happened to my face, but this is the side effect after my epidural. I don't know what happened. I don't know what time did it start, pero this is the side effect. Pero let's see what's gonna happen. Siguro, mawawala din to. Parang side effect lang to ng mga pinagdaanan ko. Pero as a strong mom, and ikaw naman yung lumabas na bata, napakagandang bata. Ito nyo naman. Magreklamo pa ba kung ganyan nakaganda yung baby ko? Oh, ang ganda ng baby na yan. So yeah. Kahit ano pa to, at least maganda ang anak ko. Sarap. That water batteries. Mahal ang TF ng nurse ko na to. Grabe yung nurse. Okay. Ano pala yung ginagawa niya? Guys, pag ihinarin nyo to, ano to, $60 per car.
Yes. May taas ka na.
Jesus.
You know, might have to be complicated.
Ingat mo. Ito, Diyos ko po. Hospital provide us this one. Gamitin mo lang natin yung cellphone ko kasi nag-charge yung off. Ito is 24 hours to use lang. And it's all free. We have one of this bottle. We have the pump tube. We need to do is to connect it. 24 hours to. So pag after 24 hours, nagamit mo na siya, hindi mo na siya pwedeng gamitin. You can request any time of the day. And we have this machine. Para insert it and then close. Then meron siyang settings here. Pumping down.
This is the house milk.
Finished product. Actually, super ganda nitong product nito, pumping, ano to, kaso feeling ko mahal to. So, after 10 minutes of pumping, it's just 10 minutes. And 4 days postpartum and 10 minutes pump. Look what I got. So many colostrum. Natin siya. Let's see how many it is. Yesterday kasi nagpump ako for 30 minutes, pero 100 lang nakuha ko. Pero look at this. It's just 10 minutes, pero nakakuha na tayo ng 140. OMG. I'm so blessed, but it's so hurt. My baby is so lucky to have this. Yay! Anak, parang malungkot ka masyado, anak ka. Parang di ka pa ready maglabas ng ano. Parang problemado ka na sa buhay. Wala pa man ah. Nakakunot na naman yung kilay. So guys, this is my pump. Breast pumping. So let's see if how much I got. Look at that. 6 days postpartum na yun. I got this much. Transfer natin siya. So at the moment, here's what I popped earlier. This is the rest that I did for the past few days. Look how yellow it is. Ang dami ko lang napadedit sa kanya. Ito mga to talaga extra. See? Super yellow. It's a healthy one. Pero ngayon medyo nag-light na siya. Yeah, thank you for her.
She's bad. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hi guys, so while my baby is sleeping right now, I will show you her and our nursery room, X our rooms. So I'll show you. Here is the room. Charan! So it's our room, X nursery room of my baby girl. So yung mga need ni mommy and daddy, which is I have here the oil for my stretch mark and meds for my recovery. Daddy, yung lotion ni dad, and I bought him this one, the toner, kasi mas skincare siya kaysa sa akin. So alaga-alaga ko yun siya. Here's her cabinet. So, all for her lang yan. Hindi siya organized ngayon kasi na, syempre natapos na lahat, nandito na si baby. Hindi ko na siya nagawang naayos na maayos. And naubos na yung mga laman dahil nga nasa laman na. So, ito yung lalagyan ng mga muslin wrap. Ito yung ginagamit namin pang sweater for her. Puno to nung isang araw. Kaso, ay na natambak na sa lalabang. Konti lang na dyan. Then here is yung mga, ito yung mga medyo kulang-kulang na pa. Pero hindi naman kasi masyadong kailangan to. Usually, ang kailangan lang talaga is medyas. Then, yung towels niya and everything. Here's her coats. Magulo na siya actually, pero nung mga bagong gawa pa yun, maayos yun. So ngayon, dahil nga nanganak na si mommy, and then agad si baby na hindi mo expect, so magulo na siya ulit. Pero okay lang naman, that's fine. Organized pa rin naman siya, hindi lang masyadong presentable. Next is yung mga bibs, yung mga pang-alis niya, yung mga pants. Ito hindi ko masyadong nagagamit yung mga pants and yung mga santo kasi parang naaano ko, nag-worry ako sa weather. Kasi minsan mainit, minsan malamig, so usahan is yung sakto lang. Yung mga swaddle again, and then yung mga need niya for mattress, and then din. This is actually my favorite part. This is all sponsored by Marketplace. Huwag kayong ano na, oh wow, ang yaman naman yan, dami ng mga gamit, ang gaganda, ganyan. So, hindi yan brand new. Pero, I managed to make it look like a brand new one. So, this is a change table. I just got it on Marketplace, but it's all free. Imagine that. Only here in Australia. I don't know if it's also applicable in Philippines, but like this one, it's an IKEA product, pero they just gave it to us for free. Kaya she said that, I don't care about money, it's just that I want someone to use it. Kasi nga, tapos nang gamitin ng anak niya. So like, imagine that, it's so worth it. You just have to take it out. Meron din siyang binigay na cushion, also the cover. Look how generous she is. Shout out to her. Also have this. I also put this sa dela, basta yun, sa pang store ng milk. This is the cream for rash. Actually, like, walang rash si baby. Talaga nito para, you know, may iwasan. Everything is almost Stella. Then her oil, and of course, sanitizer para if masitor, pump lang yan dyan. Sila hinihirapan din. Aware sila na kailangan nilang sanitize before pumasok. And then in storage lahat, nandito na yung diaper na. The very essential bag for us kasi nandito na lahat yung diaper niya. Lahat ng kailangan niya paglalabas namin. And also my pump, naka-charge yung machine. The drawer of her bottle, other Mustela products niya. Bottle warmer, dito na isa-isa. This is dad's station. Yan lang, sapat na. Ito ako nagpapa-feed. So ano siya, rocking chair siya. Actually, wala talaga itong mga pillow na to, pero ganyan lang siya ka-normal. Pero kasi dahil upuan mo and you want to be comfortable, I bought some pillow for it. Then yung iPad ko, para if ever na mainip ako. Then CCTV niya, wala ko na baby monitor kasi yung CCTV na access mo naman siya online. So let's be practical na lang din. Kasi ang mahal ng mga gamit ng baby. The small storage here, lalo kailangan tumayo ng madaling araw or gabi, natamad na ako. Andiyan na din lahat ng kailangan. Mga snacks ko dyan. And charan, itong bed is very very cutesy lang siya kasi all white. Clean talaga yung tignan pagka all white. And TV here, this humidifier. Dito sa Australia masyadong dry yung air kaya kailangan talaga nitong humidifier niya para mag-moisture yung air. This for sleep. This is for the clouds, rainbow, and all, and everything. And it's also a Bluetooth speaker. So which is worth it dahil siya. Pero usually I always use the cloud kasi meron siyang design. And then may nagsasalita.
I'd like you to make yourself comfortable.
Diba? Meron nag storytelling while she's sleeping. Water bottle here. The air purifier. This is much important kasi window yan. Yung alikabok pumapasok pa rin talaga. Kaya need natin ng air purifier. I also have this pump. Diyan lang siya in case. Actually, is her crib. It's actually a bassinet na crib. It's so worth it kasi ang lapit niya lang sa kama and ang magkatabi lang kami. And then, yeah, that's it. Kompleto ko yung gamit niya ng hindi ako gumagastos ng malaki. Shout out sa iba dyan na kaya nila magastos ako. Sobrang worth it ng baby shower. Hindi naman sa pagiging opportunista, pero grabe, iba dito sa Australia. Hindi mo yun makukuha sa Philippines kung hindi ka ganun kayaman. You know, ang sarap lang na formado ka, maayos, malinis, and kompleto lahat ng gamit mo habang nagre-recover ka and nagbabantay ka din ng baby. Malaking tulong din yun, lalo na sa postpartum emirate ko. So, and thank you Lord for everything. This is impossible kung wala din si Lord na nag-guide sa amin and making this all possible. Happy birthday, Daddy. Ay, sus. Grabe naman si Daddy muna. Happy birthday muna kay Daddy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. Blow the candle. Wish first. Yay! What? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday long now. Ano vaccine ba? Bago po ang vaccine.
Sa bago mo na ako. Sa bago mo magkakabawas.
Ikaw kung patay mo kalahati.
Sa loob kami tayo.
Happy birthday!
Baka tayo yung ano niya, lalo.
Baka ano yun na pagbukas mo ano? Android. Kita mo naman, Pars. Ano ba? Ano po ganda, no? Ganda niya, no?
Ganda. Perfect yan.
Oh, ano? Pro. Yung ngayon? 11 or 12?
Ganda pa dahil.
Kasi hindi na nag-charge. Ayaw niya eh. Uy! Ganda oh. Yay!
Ang mo, friend, siya yung gagamit nito.
Guys, so we're here in Holiday Inn. Pinag-check-in ko din siya para at least natin niya yung kanyang birthday. We're just gonna start here for just one night. Para makarelax lang siya kasi super hardworking nito si Daddy. And we're with our little princess. I hope nagustuhan niya yung gift ko sa kanya. 17 Pro. Gusto mo? Masaya ka naman? Deserve it. Kasi ilang years na yung ano mo. Uy, Buris. Happy hello.
Hello world.
Ano mo sa'yo? So ako na mag-set up dahil itong batang to natatakot mag-set. See you later, alligator. Mag-set up lang siya ng face ID niya. Oh, face ID yan siya. Oh, ito. Tulog. We're going to a shopping habang tulog pa ang maliit. Don't worry guys, may nagbabantay dyan. May si ate. Kami, binabantayan niya lang for the meantime. Ang masasabi ko lang sa journey ko for my pregnancy and birth is like super smooth. Sabi? As in sobrang ayos ng pagpapanganak ko doon. Like, starting early in the morning, kahit na ang due date ko, my due date is actually today, December 17. Nanganak ako December 2, so 2 weeks early. Pero, thank God, kasi hindi ako pinaghintay ng matagal. Wala akong any exercise, anything na tinik. Siguro ang panting na tinik ko lang is yung pineapple. Even yung ball, hindi ko siya nagamit. I was so blessed na hindi ako ganun pinahirapan or pinaghintay ng matagal. And gusto na talaga lumabas ng anak ko. Yung hospital talaga, sobrang laking ginhawa niya sa akin, sobrang laking tulong niya sa akin, kaya siguro ganun ako nanganak ng mabilis. My labor hours is just 7 hours. Na-induce ako. 7 hours and 17 minutes push. Imagine that. Kami lang nandito. Wala kami any relatives. Wala kami any support. Pero yung support ng hospital and my OBGYN, sobrang solve. Then yung hospital bill, wala kami binayaran. All zero. Yun, thank you sa Bupa. Thank you sa insurance namin. Kasi kung di dahil din sa insurance namin, mamaya naghirap na kami ngayon. Charis. Wait lang, transfer lang ako ng pera, boss ha. Paano siya, boss? Kumulang laman ng bako. O yan lang na pamili namin. Bago magising ang kabataan. Hey, sobrang cute. Ay sus, umuunat pa yun siya. On the way home na kami, hindi ko alam kung saan tayo natapos kanina. Hindi magiging madali yung journey ko na to kung hindi dahil hospital na pinag-admitan ko, which is the North Calvary. Super swabe lang talaga. Like, wala kami pinaproblema. Ever since ako doon, nagpa-admit ako ng o'clock AM, hindi nila ako pinabayaan. Nakamonitor talaga ako buong magdamag. Kita nyo naman kung paano nila kami asikasuhin. Imagine that, dito, separate yung magbabantay sa'yo, separate yung food ng partner mo. And pag may bisita ka, pwede mo din silang pag-order. It's too good to be true talaga. Like, kung ikukwento ko yun sa mga friend ko, baka hindi sila maniwala. Pero grabe, sobrang alaga kami. Super thank you Lord talaga na shout out sa best friend ko, sa aking Maring Venice. Dahil talagang siya mismo yung sinunod ko talaga siya. Sa lahat ng mga sinabi niya, sinunod ko lahat. Kaya naging maayos yung pagpapanganak ko. I mean, kung di dahil sa health niya, siguro baka tegi bambam. Charis! Hindi naman, di tayo magiging tegi bambam. I mean, alam mo yun, kung hindi dahil siguro sa advice na baka mag-end up nasa public lang ako. Like, parehas naman covered yung public and private. Why not go to the private, diba? Hi guys! So, before I end this video, I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who helped me survive this journey. First of all, of course, thank God for everything. Thank God because despite all the trials, all the anxiety, you still made me a stronger fighter woman today. So, thank God kasi hindi niyo po kami pinabayaan. Kahit napakadami po namin mga pinagdaanan, nandun lang po kayo. You always guide us and naging safe po yung delivery ko and I have this healthy baby. Thank you, Lord, for everything. Thank you po, Lord, for giving me a partner like Romel. Partner like Romel na he never give up to us. He's always there for us. Always understand us. Even meron kami pinagdadaanan, maraming tumatakbo sa utak niya. Ever since nabuntis ako, never siyang sumuko. Never siyang naging negative. I'm so proud of him kasi naging strong siya. Hindi niya hinayaan na magpatalo sa negative thoughts sa surroundings niya. And I'm so proud of him kasi since day one, hindi niya ako pinabayaan. Kahit na super grabe yung mental health na pinagdaanan ko. Pero good thing I'm a strong girl. Because I need to be strong for this beautiful baby. And kaya kahit na wala akong work today, wala na akong work kasi nasa maternity leave na ako. I still, choose to surprise him on his birthday kasi he deserve it. Ilang years na siya dito. Yung phone niya is, hindi na nag-charge. 5 years na yung phone niya na yun. Hindi na nag-charge pero never niyang naisip na mag-upgrade napaka-selfless na tao. Never niya naisip na mag-upgrade ng phone kasi gusto niya mag-focus siya sa mga dapat i-focus. Never niya binilan yung sarili niya ng mga bagay na deserve niya kasi pinaghirapan niya. Kaya, I did my best to surprise him even na medyo budget tayo dahil wala tayong work. So, I surprised him with the phone. At least ngayon, makakapag-charge na siya ng maayos. Kasi yung phone niya, like, sira na talaga yung charger. So, yeah, he deserved that gift. And also my parents na never kaming ginudge, never nagalit. Nandiyan lang sila always to support us. They're so happy. They're so excited to see this baby and they want her to go home na in the Philippines. Pero no. Sorry guys, I'm enjoying my baby right now. And then to all my friends, especially nung nag-baby shower kami, nandyan sila. And super big help ng mga gift nyo sa baby shower namin. Hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin. Pero napakalaking help ng binigay nyo sa amin nung baby shower. Ang smooth ng nesting ko, ang smooth ng everything ko. Like, complete lahat for baby. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. And to my housemate as well, na kailangan ko ng hands for baby Lanaya. They are there for me. Sa mga kumari ko, Maring Venice and Maring Dayan, sa mga kumpare ko. Thank you so much for being there in my journey. Kung hindi dahil din sa kanila, hindi din magiging, like, baka na-depress na ako or something. Kasi talagang nandyan din sila pagka nasabi kong malungkot ako, naiiyak ako. Lagi sila nandyan na, okay, sige, magkita tayo, dun tayo kay ganyan. So, thank you. Thank you for everything, guys. And thank you din sa mga coworkers ko and best friend as well. Kasi yung mga coworkers ko is also my best friend. So, thank you guys as well for being patient. Especially sa work. Ever since nabuntis ako, never nila akong pinabayaan. Actually, parang naglalaro na nga lang ako sa work ko. Parang upo-upo na lang ako doon, kung ano na lang dapat kong gawin, yun lang ginagawa ko. And hindi nila pinaramdam sa akin na I'm a burden to them. Hindi ko din naman pinaramdam sa kanila yun. And hanggat kaya ko talaga nagtrabaho ko. Imagine, 37 weeks I'm still working. And then lumabas to almost 38 weeks. So, yeah, I'm a hardworking girl and ayoko naman na ibase lahat ng gastos sa partner ko. So, kaya nag-work pa rin ako. And I'm still planning to work now as early as possible para I can support my baby. And for us, shout out din po kay Ate Yel na after kong magnganak hindi niya din ako pinabayaan. Even po online lang, lahat ng worries ko, lahat ng overthink ko, lahat ng question ko, willing siya mag-reply kahit na meron din siyang newborn baby. So thank you Ate Yel. Thank you. Hindi ko na alam kung sino pa yung papasalamatan ko. Basta I'm always grateful. I'm so happy for everyone who've been there to support me, to protect us, sobrang galing ni Lord. It's amazing na despite na mga pinagdaanan ko, hindi niya kami pinabayaan and ang smooth ng delivery ko and naging maayos, especially sa hospital. Sobra. And also especially my OBGYN, Cassie Steer, and all the midwife Emily, all the nurses in the hospital. Thank you for taking care of us. Thank you for taking care of my baby Lanaya. And of course, lastly, to my Lanaya Maeve, my baby girl, I would like to tell you that we're so happy to have you. You're a great blessing to us. Ever since you came to our life, you give us a reason to fight for life. You inspired us to be more strong. You give us a motivation to always work hard. Pag nakita mo tong video na to and nakakaintindi ka na, we would like to tell you na you're the best blessings that we ever received in our life. The reason kung bakit kami nagpapatuloy ng daddy mo. Maraming nagmamahal sa'yo, maraming taong tanggap ka kung sino ka man, especially us. Hayaan ka namin enjoyin mo yung buhay, hindi ka namin lilimitahan. Lahat ng gusto mo gagawin namin. As long as alam mo yung tama at mali, ka namin pipigilan sa kung anong gusto mo. And we will let you enjoy life because you deserve happiness in life, my love. Love na love kita, anak. Love na love kita kasi ipinaglaban kita. Yun ang lagi mong iisipin, ipinapaglaban ka namin araw-araw. And mahal na mahal ka namin. Thank you, Lord, for my baby Lanay. And, yun lang. Masyado madramat pag-end ko ng video. So, yeah. Hindi ko alam kung anong pinagsabi ko. Basta, I'm so grateful to have this baby girl in my life. It gave us a reason to be more motivated in life. Magpupursige kami para mabigay namin yung magandang future for you, my love. Yun lang. Sana lumaki kang maging mabuting anak. Always remember na mommy and daddy is always here for you. I love you so much, my baby girl. So, guys, I'll end the video na here. And see you again on my next vlog. Bye!